Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. So in this video tutorial I will show you how to suspend an email account without losing all the data. This will only work if you have a website and you have a cpanel access. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, you can see I'm already on my screen and this is my cpanel. Let me quickly log into this cpanel. Alright, this is the cpanel dashboard that you get with your web hosting, and navigate to email accounts, and this is where you can manage and delete all the email accounts that you have. You can see I have multiple email accounts on this domain, and you can also see there are no restrictions on this email accounts. So to restrict an email, click on this button over here that says unrestricted, and this will open the restriction settings for you for that email. You can block the incoming email for that email account. You can also block the outgoing emails from that account. So to block the incoming mails to that email account, you need to click on this suspend. Just basically need to change these settings to suspend, and that email account will no longer receive an incoming mail. Alright, so likewise you can change these settings for outgoing emails. You can also put this on hold if you want, and then you can completely suspend the login of that email account if you want. Let's say I will change the outgoing email, and if you scroll down you have a option to delete the email account, but if you delete the email account, all the data in that email account will be wiped out. So I've changed these settings where I have blocked the outgoing mails for that email account. And don't forget to click on this update email settings. So this will update the settings. Now you can see the restriction is changed to restricted. Now that our email account has been restricted, let's try to test this. If you want to test this from the web email, you can click on check email, this button over here. Or if you have already configured on your phone or your desktop, you can directly go and test from your mobile application. Just click on check email. This will open the webmail login for you, and you can select any of this client. I'll select this one, and now we are ready to write an email from this account. I'll click on compose, and to address could be anything. I will write my personal email address, and I will put test here in subject, and you can put anything in the body of the email, and then hit send. You will get an error saying that outgoing mail from this email account has been suspended. So this is how it works if you block the access from the cpanel. And just like that, you can change the restrictions for this email account. I hope you like this video. If you want more videos, don't forget to explore my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.